Hello everyone, it's Sage again here, and today we are going to be continuing drawing Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild characters. Today we are going to be drawing Zelda in the white dress. So first we are going to start off with her head, and we're going to start with her eyes. So we're going to draw two slightly curved shapes on either side of her head for her eyelashes, and they're each going to have sharp little points at the edge, and then from those points we're going to draw some more sharp curves going around in a line. Remember, it does not have to be perfect. I know that mine certainly aren't perfect. The most important thing, though, is that you have fun and you practice. Underneath each eyelash, we're going to draw a circle connecting it, and that is going to be the eye. And inside of each eye, we're going to draw two big circles for the highlights to make them look nice and shiny and cute. And then connecting those, we're going to draw another circle for her pupil, which is the big black spot. And then if you want to, as an extra detail for when you're coloring it in, you can draw some rings going around for the different layers of her irises. I'm going to draw 3. Once you're done with her eyes, we're going to draw the shape of her head, which is going to be a big oval circle. So we're going to draw around like this. And then together. And now we're going to draw her eyebrows. So we're going to draw 2 arches that are connected at the outer edge, and then 2 little curves inside of them, like this. For her cheeks, we're going to draw 2 large ovals. Then for her mouth, we're going to draw a straight line and then a curve going up like that. Now we can draw her ears, so we're going to draw 2 curved lines going out. Ignore the people that are texting me. And 2 lines connecting them, and then we'll draw some more lines like this. For adding texture. Now we're going to draw the top of her hair, so we'll draw a line going up and 2 lines going out and connecting up above, ending right here at her ears. And then from these 2 little spots on your side where her ears connect to her head, we're going to draw a line going up, then connecting back into the top, like this. Now we're going to draw her dress. First we're going to draw her belt, so we're just going to draw a large rectangle like this. Then we're going to draw a circle inside of it, and a triangle with a smaller triangle inside of it. That's the Triforce. Then we're going to draw some trim around it like this, on the top and on the bottom. And then we can draw squiggly line going like that. That's going to be her belt. Then we're going to draw 2 curved lines going up, and then curved like that, and then 2 that go up like this. Now I'm going to draw 2 curves on either side. They're not exactly going to be at the bottom of the belt, they're going to be like towards the middle of the belt. And then connecting back up like this. And then I'm gonna go down and stop right here. Down and stop right here. So we're stopping about level to where we ended the top layer of the dress. And then we're gonna curve it back up like this, so that it looks like it's kind of like ruffled out. Now we're going to draw 2 lines going back down, like this, then a curve in the middle connecting them, and then like some lines inside of it for the middle part of her dress. And then we're going to draw 2 lines right here, curving around like this. If you have an eraser, you should be drawing this in pencil if you're not drawing it on your iPad. You can do like that to make her feet. And then we're going to draw some lines like this. Try to make it symmetrical, so make it like the same on each side. And draw like X's kind of, but the X's have crossed in the middle. And this is for her feet. I don't think she's wearing shoes, weird enough. She's just wearing like these brown leather wraps around her feet. Now we're going to draw more for dress. We're going to draw 2 curves going out like this, and then coming up above again, and then 2 curves at the bottom connecting it. That is the bottom of her dress. This is actually one of the most simple drawings that we've drawn so far, so it's like the least complicated. Now we're going to draw this like golden necklace that she wears. Have a triangle in the middle, another triangle on the side, so that's another triforce, kind of like how she has on her belt. Then we're going to draw a triangle beneath it, and 2 little curves out on either side. 2 more curves. And I don't know really what this is. It kind of looks like an eagle wing to me or something like that. I don't know. But there's this little symbol that they have that has like golden wings coming out, that has a triforce in the middle. I'm going to draw her neck coming up right underneath her mouth, and then a line going across, and 2 lines coming down, connecting her necklace. Because her necklace is kind of like a chest piece, sort of, like it goes over her chest. Now we're going to draw her arms, so we'll draw 2 little lines coming down on either side. Then her arms connecting into her hands, like that. And then right here, where her arms like curve a tiny bit, we'll draw her armbands, because she has like these bracelet armband things. We'll draw some trim around them, like this. And then she has the triforce also on these. So it's just triangle with another triangle inside. And then some like wing looking things. Lines, wings, lines, wings, like a repeated pattern like that. Then on this hand right here, which would be her right hand, so the hand that makes a backwards L, we're going to do an upside down triangle. I think it's not upside down because triangles can be whatever direction they want to be, but upside down from how we've been doing these 4 right here. And then another triangle like that. So it's like a triforce, but it's upside down because it's facing towards her. Because during the one memory that we have, she sticks her hand out like this, and it glows on the top of her hand when she uses her power. So that's what that is. Now we're going to do her hair. So we'll draw 2 strands of hair on either side like this, coming out from behind her ears. Then repeat like that into her arm. And now I believe that we are done with our Zelda wearing her white dress. If you enjoyed, please remember to like and subscribe, because I will be posting more videos like this soon of more characters and characters from other video games also. And please make sure to stay for the time-lapse replay that I'm going to play in a few seconds. You can match the coloring to my coloring, or you can do your own coloring if you want to. That's the fun thing about art. You can make it however you want. It's special, unique, different, so you can show your own creativity. I love you. Goodbye.